Welcome back to the Train Expert channel. We got a really short train freight coming. Let's check this out. I hope that Tom doesn't need to get out. I hope.
That's why I put myself here.
Got here glare. I gotta see, huh? Viewers can't see glared, huh? I had a couple train videos got glared. That was that. And I think once was the Tiger place. What was that? I never seen that hopper design like that. One hopper said "Shy Girl." All right, we're gonna get off, and we'll talk to you guys with the next train. Talk to you later. I hope the engineer doesn't make me nervous. Huh? I done it once on there with that same engine. Huh? And we'll talk to you guys with the next train. Talk to you later.